Good morning, one and all. It gives me great pleasure and privilege to be here on the occasion of MHRM online lecture. I, Dr. Dheeraj Oval, HOD of Commerce Department, would like to welcome all my TYBCom participants for MHRM online lecture. Today, we are going to discuss about the product life cycle and the various stages. Before that, I would like to show you the human life cycle. Let us, you can see the pictures also. The birth has taken place. Then you can see the baby there, then we can see the toddlers there, then we can see the adolescents are there after complete the 18 years, then adults are there, then after marriage, then settlement, etc. And after the 1560 we can see the old age is also. And after 60, after the 1780 we have seen the old age is there, and at the last end we have seen the coffin is there. I put a garland on your photo, that is indicate those who have taken the birth here, they have to face the death. That is called as a human life cycle. Now we are going to discuss about the product life cycle. Before that, I would like to show you some of the pictures. Now look at the here. Before the 20 years back, telephone was a luxurious product and was in a huge demand. But now we can say it's a very rarely we can find the telephones in offices and in colleges. In I think so in most of the household, it's literally vanished. The telephone, and that's taken. The mobile has taken place instead of the telephone. Everywhere now we have seen the mobile phone. Now look at the here. The pager is also now no one can see the pagers. It's out of market. It is just like in earlier time we had seen the black and white mobile phone, just like a walkie-talkie, but no one can see this phone now. Now look at the here your features mobile phone. You have to press the touch screen twice, thrice to type, etc. It's a very difficult, hard, very difficult to type a message under such a type of mobile phone. But there are now we can't see such a mobile phone available in the market. Now look at the here, this is also one of the features mobile phone. But now time we have seen everywhere such a mobile phone, the laptop phone, then we can say we have seen these are the products. Once a time they were in a huge demand, but now we can say these products are out of the market. Now we have seen the smart mobile phone. Now look at the second case, Bajaj Chetak. Before the 25-30 years back was in a huge in demand. You had to wait for 1 year for the waiting period to buy the Bajaj Chetak. Now you can see here the bikes are in demand here exactly. Then we can say the Bajaj Chetak is outdated. Now we have seen the bike. Now recently everywhere we can see the Activa. These kind of the scooters, two wheelers are available for everywhere. The boy and the girls, anyone can use that one. Then we can say make it comparison to the scooter and the Activa, that is a new one. Now you know very well about that one. The first one, the scooter was out of market, the death has taken place, and here is a new products is available. Now we can go for here. This is the one, this is the image called as a floppy. Before the 10-15 years back, for the storage purpose we used to copy. Now after that cover CD. Now you know all about the CD. Now now we are using the pen drive. Now latest technology we are using the your data card. Now you're having the cloud computing. Then we can say due to the latest products available in the market, new products available in the market, which were the old one products, they were out of the market. Now we are going to see the next one is what do you mean by the product life cycle. The meaning is here is that product life cycle means during the lifespan of the product it would passes different phases or stages, such as the introductory stage, growth stage, maturity stage, and the last one, the fourth one, is a decline stage. Now we can see one by one here. Now look at the here diagram here also. Now look at the here curves also. Now here is your introductory stage is starting from the here, then slow and steady after this survival in the introductory stage. Now we are going to see the growth stage is here, slow and steady the sale and the profit is increased. And after the growth stage, after this certain year, quite famous in the market, we are settled in the market. that is called the maturity stage. After the maturity stage, the new products available in the market, customer don't like to purchase our product, and we are going to facing suddenly the decline stage in the market. That is the indicate also death stage of the market. Now we are going to see one by one each and every stage is here. Now look at the first one is introductory stage. Under this stage, those who are the marketer, he's going to introduce the product in the market. He's going to launch the product in the market. The product is new in the market. Product is getting the competition from the settled product, from the others products in the market. Therefore, under this stage, the maximum focus on the advertising or mass publicity to attract the attention of the audience, and even also the face the competition of the others product. Under this stage, those who are the marketer, they want to follow penetration pricing strategy, low price strategy to attract the attention of the customer and to give the competition the well settled product in the market. After survival, the introductory stage, now we are going to see the growth stage. Our product survived settled in the market due to the heavy advertising, mass publicity. The customers are aware about the product. Now they are purchasing the product on regularly, slow and steadily. Our profit as well as sales increases. Therefore, we can slow and steadily increase the price of the product. That is called as a scheming pricing strategy. Now we are going to charge the high price strategy. After the growth stage, we are going to see the maturity stage. Our product sales or profits are remain more or less stagnant, no new or additional customers. We are going to give only reminder advertising done. That is called as a maturity stage. After the maturity stage, then we are going to see about the decline stage. Under the decline stage, basically is basically point is that customers don't like to purchase our product because a new innovative products available in the market. For example, if I had a black and white mobile phone, now no one like to purchase that mobile phone because the color handset available in the market. Therefore, what can I do? The seller has a two option only. Either they can withdraw the product from the market or modify or convert the old product into the new technology like a customer. As I mentioned that one, if I had a black and white mobile phone, what can I do? I can convert my black and white mobile phone into the color handset. Even also I can otherwise I can withdraw the product from the market. That is called the decline stage. Now this is the recap also. In a product life cycle, basically these are the four stages. The first one is the introductory stage, the second one is a growth stage, the third one is a maturity stage, and the last one is a decline stage. These are the four stage under the product life cycle. Thank you very much for your precious listening. Thanks a lot.